What is OCD?
So obsessive compulsive disorder is something that I think many people may have preconceptions about. Many people will confuse obsessive compulsive disorder for what's known as obsessive compulsive personality disorder. And I'll start there because a lot of people that are very well organized, very detail oriented, very perfectionistic in nature, may have traits of what's called obsessive compulsive personality disorder, which is different. So obsessive compulsive disorder is an anxiety disorder that's characterized by both obsessions and compulsions. So what do I mean by that? Obsessions are these recurring thoughts that people have that oftentimes are highly distressing. They may be variable, but certain themes are concerns of cleanliness and contamination, certainly things like order, symmetry, perfection, locks being locked, or perhaps certain superstition, things like numbers, things like, for example, cracks in the sidewalk causing harm if you step on them. It's a common, perhaps, child obsession. And essentially, these distressing thoughts encourage people to engage in compulsions. So compulsions are these behaviors that people will do to release the distress of these thoughts. For example, a patient who has significant obsessions about cleanliness may engage in the compulsion of repetitive hand washing to the point that maybe they have excoriations or they have some sort of rash or abrasion or injury to their hands that causes significant physical symptoms. Somebody who has obsessions perhaps about order, symmetry, or cleanliness may engage in compulsions that have a significant amount of time cleaning that distracts them from perhaps their work obligations. Somebody who has obsessions about locks being locked may turn around on the highway and be late to work because they've checked 5 times whether or not they locked the front door. So the important thing to highlight or differentiate between obsessive compulsive disorder and obsessive compulsive personality disorder is it causes a big significant sense of distress rather than as kind of a long-term enduring trait of perfection and attention to detail that does not cause distress.